4th floor east facing double bedroom flat. Hall with dining area. New painting work jarigindi. This is second bedroom with cupboards, fans, lights. This is master bedroom with attached toilet, balcony. Cupboards. This is common toilet, kitchen, the wash area. The hall with the dining area.